actually do this makeup haul in this vlog because I actually want to get this stuff off the floor. I got this makeup here. It's been sitting here for a while. I placed 2 orders. A lot of this stuff was only $2 and $3. So the first one that I got is this Give Me Glow Cosmetic. This is their Nightlife palette. Now they do have a palette like this. I don't know if they still sell it. I don't know if it's discontinued or not, but anyways, this is the magnetic palette version, but they do have an actual eyeshadow like this. It does come with a mirror, and that is the area where you can put your single eyeshadows. Like I said, it comes with a mirror. This is the Dream Blush palette. This is another magnetic palette that you could put your magnetic blushes in here, and then at the top you can you know, to label each blush, but you can also do single eyeshadows. I had to get this. So cute. The Bronze Bombshell. This is supposed to be like for 2 bronzers. So cute to me. I love this. This is their over the top mixing medium, and it does come with a dropper. So basically what you do is you take some loose eyeshadow pigment and you put like a few, I think it's 1 drop, and you mix it. It's supposed to give your eyeshadow like a really nice wet effect. So it's supposed to give that wet look. Speaking of loose pigments, I picked up 3, and I kind of want to pick up all the colors. So the first one I got is Pink Bubbly, and this is what it looks like. This one is called Dragon Blood. Listen, baby girl, that's, heck, you see that blue and green? This one is the Moon Dust. This one is Moon Dust, and this one is pretty. I haven't swatched these yet, but I do want to go ahead and get all of them because I believe these were $3. These are water activated liner. I think these came out for Valentine's Day, I guess. I don't know, but they're heart shape, and I got 4 in total. So this one, I think this was called Chocolate something. I really wish you could use these as eyeshadows because the color combinations are beautiful. It's called Chocolate Wasted, and this one is just a light brown and a dark brown. This one is called Gator Punch, and this has like that punchy red kind of color, and then it has like that deep teal blue looking color. This one is called Orange Crush, and that's what it looks like. Now this one is broken, as you guys can see. This one is called Warm Pineapple. Ooh, oh, that's broke too. But this one is called Warm Pineapple. Next thing that I got, bronzers. I always wanted their bronzers. I don't think I have any bronzers from them, but I wanted some. This is their Bronze Bombshell Pressed Powder Bronzer. Color is really nice. This one is called, did I say it? Tropic Like It's Hot. You know, like Snoop Dogg's song, Drop It Like It's Hot, but it's called Tropic, right there. Drop It Like It's Hot. So that is too cute. Let's go ahead and swatch this because I feel like this yeah, oh yeah, this is for me right here. Nice chocolate brown. And then this one is called Bronze and Bougie. Now this is the one that I should be able to kind of go hand with because I think this one is kind of my color. So yeah, that one is a little bit on the warmer side, a little bit lighter, like everyday kind of use. Yeah, this is warmer. I can definitely use both of those, so I'm excited about that there. So ooh, I just love a good bronzer. Let me wipe this off because next we got a bunch of lip products that I want to share with you all. So the first one being is this Give Me Glow Pinup Red Trio Lip Bundle. So you get a lip gloss, a lip liner, and a matte liquid lipstick, and this duo is called Pinup Red. So I love me a good red lipstick. I don't really care too much for red lip gloss. It's giving like it's gonna give like, I love a nice red lipstick that has like that blue undertone to it. So that's what it's kind of giving to me. So this one is the matte lipstick. So let's go ahead and swatch. This is my first time like swatching everything. Oh, yo, you see that? And then the lip gloss, let's do the lip gloss. Okay, the lip gloss is pretty. Like it's gonna be really nice and pigmented. Oh, okay, so I like that because most of the time, I don't know why I feel like sometimes like red lip gloss, even brown lip gloss to me, sometimes I don't really like it. It could look either cheap or patchy. That's just my opinion, and that's why I really never really cared too much for them. And then here is the lip liner that it comes with, and let's do the lip liner. I don't like this packaging because it's just hard to sharpen. And yeah, so everything else is pretty much lip products. I have a mixture of liquid lipsticks and lip glosses. All of these were $3. I gotta go back on there and check. I think all of these were $3. $3, honey. Let's get into it. This is their Prince Charming lip gloss, and I'm gonna put it back in the box because I need it for my thumbnail. Y'all, this gloss right here reminds me of a lip gloss from Dose of Colors that I have, but this one is called Prince Charming. Okay, we gotta play around with that. Definitely a brown lip liner needs to be used with that. Yeah. Okay, we gotta use. We gonna have to use brown lip liner with that. This one is called Peach Milk. So this is like a nude color. This one is called She Wolf. This is a lip gloss. This is a really nice muted kind of like cool tone kind of color. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh, that is nice. One is a liquid lipstick. This one is Roasted Marshmallow. What am I showing y'all about? And look at that for fall. Perfect for fall. Give me this color all day long. Look at that. Gorgeous, perfect, nice, warm, matte brown for fall. This one is called Baby Spice. This one, definitely wanted to get because I thought it was really cute and girly. I kind of want to try this on the lips too. It kind of looks like a MAC lip gloss. This one is called Dirty Pumpkin, and this one is a liquid lipstick. That one is pretty as well. Definitely whipping this out for fall. You already know. Oh, now this is a nice medium brown cognac kind of brown liquid lipstick. Ooh, that's gonna really pop. Like if you use a really nice dark brown, like a dark chocolate brown lip liner, and that is definitely gonna hit. This one is Whiskey and Honey. I'm not gonna swatch this because I got 2 of these and I made a mistake, and yeah, this is the liquid lipstick. I want to say it might come in a gloss too. I could be tweaking, but that is pretty. Cause I'm like, I want to give it to somebody. I don't want to have 2, but then again, they're never, as far as I know, I don't think they're bringing this back. So if I feel like it, I get up and get mine. And then this one is like that burgundy maroon kind of color for fall. And that's one thing I like about them. They have some really nice fall shades. Look at that. That's perfect. That's the ultimate fall lippy. Vanilla Milkshake, and this is a lip gloss. Yeah, that's gonna get me right. And I like that their lip products have like more of a lip lacquer kind of vibe. Like the pigmentation on it is very bold. And this one is Deja Vu. This is a lip gloss. This one is Stuck Up. This one is called Stuck Up, and this is a lip gloss. Another pale lippy. That one is Stuck Up right here. And that one is just kind of like a basic nude kind of shade. Because this reminded me of Candy Yum Yum. They don't sell Candy Yum Yum no more, right? I don't know, but I had to get this. Absolutely beautiful. And then last but not least, this is glitter. This one is called Glitter Pumps. Ooh, that one's cute. Okay. Oh, I kind of want to try that on now. This one is glitter plumps. I keep saying plumps, pumps, like shoes. So I'm excited to use everything. Those are the swatches. That Barbie pink is amazing. I kind of want to put it on the lip. I know I'm gonna look crazy right now, but that is definitely, I know I look crazy, but I would not put that all over my lips like that, just by the way. But it's definitely giving, like, to me it's giving like MAC vibes. I love that. Ooh. Let me take off my lips, I look crazy. But y'all see the vision that this would give. I've been talking for 30 minutes. Oh my god, that's a whole video. So yeah, that's everything that I got from Give Me Glow. So maybe you guys can still get some things by the time I put this vlog up. So whenever you get it.
I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't phase me. I'm going.
I'll shout out to my mama because she went to Domino's and got this pizza, y'all. I'm so hungry. I did bring some pizza for my lunch, but she went to Domino's and got me some pizza, y'all. I am so freaking hungry, y'all. The way I'm like starving. Ooh, I bet y'all want some. Here. All right, I'm finna eat my pizza. I am up. It is 12:25. I'm up, like, girl, it's half of the day. But I am about to make some hamburger helper. And this is not for me. I'm using ground turkey, so I really got to season this really well. I'm gonna make that really quickly, and then I'm gonna come back and talk to you guys. Tell the angels hello. Stay. Wanted to show y'all some new shoes that I got. I got a new pair of gym shoes and I got some new boots. So I wanted to show y'all what I got right quick. I bought these for the weekend, which I'm going to start a new vlog this weekend, y'all. This weekend, the Lord's will, I hope it be all that it needs to be. Like, I'm going to a concert, I'm going out to brunch, so I'm trying to look cute all weekend. And I had to buy some fresh dunks. I just got the black and white pair. Now I do have these. A company sent me some replicas, but I wanted the real thing. You know, at some point I was gonna buy the real thing. So I just, wait a minute now. It look like somebody wore those. I haven't even opened these yet. I need to check these out. But anyways, yeah, so I just bought some new Panda dunks. Y'all, I went back to Akira. You go downtown. Me and my aunt needed to go to the water tower, so I went down there with her and we went in Akira, and that Akira had like some really cute stuff in there. But let me show y'all what these boots that I got. I need both of my hands. Hold on. But anyways, y'all, so when I went to Akira to get my little bustier, if y'all remember in that one vlog, I had seen these boots, y'all. I seen these boots, honey. I already looked, because what? I seen these boots and I took a picture of it and I was like, I'm gonna wait till it go on sale or whatever. So it went on sale for like $70, baby. Ooh, not the boot falling. Hold on, y'all. Here's the boot. It's just a sparkly boot. I might put the picture up top, but I hope you guys can see. But I don't know why the camera is not giving. It's not giving enough light, honey. But yeah, that is the boot. I personally want to get the heel kind of cut down because I don't like really tall heels anymore. But you guys can see. Y'all can see the boot in the mirror. But yeah, so I just wanted to show y'all my, I wanted to show y'all my new boots. Look how this girl, look at that. Yeah, I wanted to show y'all my shoes. And I'm finna start up another vlog